Alright, tech enthusiasts, for years, Samsung's flagship Galaxy S series has followed a pretty predictable pattern. The standard model, the Plus version, and the Powerhouse Ultra. We're not even counting the fan editions here. But with the Galaxy S25 lineup, Samsung threw a curveball. They introduced the Galaxy S25 Edge, a phone that was designed to be super slim and ultra-light. It kind of flew under the radar, didn't exactly break sales records or dominate reviews, but it seems Samsung isn't giving up on this daring concept just yet. According to fresh rumors, Samsung is not just refining the Edge idea, they're doubling down on it with the Galaxy S26 Edge. And here's the kicker. This new Edge model might even replace the Galaxy S26 Plus entirely. Now, that's a bold move, and it tells us Samsung is serious about carving out a new space in their lineup. This isn't just speculation. Popular and usually very accurate tipster Ice Universe recently dropped some juicy details on X, formerly Twitter, that have really set the tech world abuzz. He claims the Galaxy S26 Edge will be even thinner than last year's already skinny S25 Edge. And here's the truly surprising part. It's also going to pack a bigger battery. Let's be real. The S25 Edge, while aesthetically pleasing with its 5.8mm slim profile, making it the thinnest Galaxy S device ever, had one major Achilles heel, its 3,900 mAh battery. Reviewers, myself included, found it struggled to keep up with a full day of heavy use. That could finally change. If this leak holds up, the S26 Edge might come with a significantly larger battery, all while maintaining a body that's slimmer than even 5.8mm. That's almost unheard of in today's smartphone world where bigger batteries usually mean thicker phones. So how is Samsung planning this seemingly impossible feat? The leaker mentions this battery upgrade could be powered by a shift to silicon carbon battery material. Now, this isn't entirely new tech. Brands like OnePlus, Honor, and OPPO have already started experimenting with silicon carbon batteries in some of their devices. The big advantage of these batteries is their higher energy density, meaning they allow manufacturers to pack more capacity into less physical space. So yes, Samsung might finally be joining the party, leveraging cutting-edge battery science to achieve both thinness and endurance. Now let's not get carried away and expect some crazy 6,000 mAh battery magically jammed into a razor-thin phone. Samsung tends to play it safe when it comes to battery safety, and for good reason. But even a modest 500 to 600 mAh bump, taking it closer to or even above the 4,500 mAh mark, could make a monumental difference in daily usability. For folks who have been torn between the sleek, pocketable form factor of the Edge and the bulkier but long-lasting Ultra, this could genuinely tip the scales. We still don't have confirmed numbers on the exact battery size or precise dimensions of the S26 Edge. But if Samsung is truly serious about replacing the Plus model with this reimagined Edge, this battery upgrade could be a big swing they need to make it a compelling mainstream option. It would provide a distinct choice for consumers who value portability and aesthetics without sacrificing all-day battery life. The prospect of a Galaxy S26 Edge that's even thinner than its predecessor and boasts better battery life is incredibly exciting. It suggests Samsung is listening to feedback and pushing innovation in areas beyond just cameras and processors. This could truly redefine their flagship lineup. Anyway, what do you think? Would you ditch the traditional Plus model or even the Powerhouse Ultra for a super slim phone with a significantly improved battery? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'll be reading through every single one. If you're as intrigued by this as I am, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest breaking tech news. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.